So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series 9th video on HTML, definition tag. Definition tag in the sense, in many websites, there are websites which are specific to definitions. You know what is HTML, the definition. What is CSS, the definition of the description. So such kind of lot of websites are there. Sir, in a book, I got a book, sir. In the last page, we'll be having only definitions, sir. So we need to format such kind of definitions. In that case, the HTML team, the World Wide Web started thinking, we need some semantic or meaningfulness of storing the data. So for making it, they got the semantic concepts, grouping similar content in a structure. That's why your definition comes. So definition tag will have definition list. You'll be having a lot of lists, definition list, DL. Under this DL, you got definition tag, the heading. And under that, you got the description, definition description. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. So over here, you can see the coding here. This is my definition list tag. Definition list tag is nothing but you will have the DL tag. Over here you got the DL tag. You got the HTML and you got /HTML. You got the head/head. So definition tags will be available in the body tag. Okay, so you got the DL definition list, definition tag under the definition description. Definition tag under that you got the definition description. Lot of definitions under the list. That is why that's the base concept. Okay, you are able to see it here. So this is how the code is DL, DT, and you got DD, DT, DD. This is how your definition list tag will works. So let's move on to the description and term tag. So as I told you, definition term tag, the tag is a DT. This is how the DT tag is. Over here you got the DT tag. That's how the heading is. And you got the DD tag, that is your definition description tag. So you got the DL list. Under that you got the term DT. Under that you got the description DD. That's how your definition tag is under the list tags in HTML.